Hi, I'm Justin, aka Hungry Artist New York. I'm a New York City food content creator, and I just love sharing different types of food that I eat. First off, let's talk about top10.com. Top10.com is a comparison platform that offers users the 10 best options across different products and services. They research, test, and rate the best services to make your decisions easier. Join me today as we try out HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit. HelloFresh is available everywhere in the US except Hawaii and Alaska, and you could choose from 30 plus recipes per week for delivery. Here I am choosing my preferences for this week, and it's that easy. I got my HelloFresh right here. Let's open this up. So what's awesome about HelloFresh is that they emphasize sustainability in their service. That means they deliver exact portions, reducing food waste. So you'll be able to recycle your meal packaging or even compost. They package this really nicely with this cold pack, and that's great. I'm excited to cook it. So I ordered the pork sausage and bell pepper risotto and the one pot pork and black bean chili. Let's start with the pork sausage and bell pepper risotto. So the first thing that I noticed is that all the produce looks really fresh. We have arboreal rice. We also have packaged chicken stock concentrates, seasoning packet, cheese. Let's get cooking. Now we're going to slice our scallion. This recipe calls for about 45 minutes of cook time. And from what I can tell, all the ingredients are fresh and precisely portioned. So I'm just going step by step based on the details that HelloFresh provided. Directions are pretty easy to follow so far. I think it's going well. Here's a close-up on all the steps. As you can see, it's pretty easy to read. What's also nice is that they provide information about calories and other nutritional information. It's starting to cook down a little bit, which is good. It's definitely al dente now, so we gotta add the other ingredients. Little scallion for garnish. All right, so we just finished our risotto, and I think it looks pretty good. It's creamy, the sausages are nicely browned. Here's a close-up look. I'm really excited to try this. All in all, it's very flavorful. It's really easy. I mean, it took about 40 minutes. Would definitely do this again. It looks aesthetically pleasing, which I love. The colors are really great. It's such a vibrant yet light dish. And the Parmesan cheese really ties everything together. So overall, my thoughts. I think the meal was really delicious. I think they break down the steps really easily so that someone who might not be as experienced at cooking or just wants to learn or simply just doesn't have the time to do grocery shopping, it makes perfect sense to try HelloFresh. Everything arrived packaged nicely. Additionally, with price point, I think it's up to you. The package that I tried was 4 total servings for 2 people in a week, and I did get $39 off for my first order. Typically, it's $60 per week, including shipping, which is $9.99. So if this is within your price range, I definitely recommend it. So what do you think? Would you try HelloFresh? All right, guys, thank you so much. Until next time.